Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you people are very fit and fine. This is your maths period, and now, today, through this video, we are going to learn a new concept, that is expanded form. Okay, so let's begin. Students, first we should know what is expanded form. Okay, so here I have written the definition of expanded form. That what is expanded form? So let's read it. Expanded form is a way to break up a number to show how much each digit in the number represents. It is actually sum of place value of all the digits in a number. Okay, students. Now let's make it simple. Have you ever stretched a rubber band or the slime that you play with? Okay. Well, we can stretch. This is a rubber band and we can stretch it. Okay. You can see here. I am stretching this rubber band and we can stretch it and then it regains its shape. Similarly, numbers can be stretched too by writing the place values of all the digits and then adding them up. Let's take an example. Suppose you go shopping with your mother and you decided to buy a football for rupees 155. Okay, now mama has to pay the shopkeeper, so she searches her bag and she pays the shopkeeper by giving him a note of rupees 100. Okay, and other of rupees of 50 and one more coin of rupees 5. Okay, 1 rupees, one more coin of rupees 5. So we have actually expanded the number, that is 155. 150 and 5. Okay, into, now you can see here we have actually expanded the number 155 into 150 and 5. Okay, so 100 plus 50 plus 5, this is called expanded form. Okay, now we need expanded, dear students, you know we need expanded form every day in a life for making payments, for many other things. Now let's see how we go about the writing the expanded form, okay, of the same number 155. For this we follow the following steps. Okay, first of all we write hundreds, tens and ones, okay, on the top of the number. And then the second step, we write the place values of all the digits in the number. Okay, example, the place value of 1 here is 100. Okay, because 1 is at 100th place, so its place value will be 100. And 5 is at 10th place, so its place value will be 50. And second 5 is at 1st place, so its place value will be 5. Okay. Okay, so now we have written the place values of all the digits in the number. We will add them by putting addition symbols in between. So we will write it as 100 plus 50 plus 5. Okay, so now it is the expanded form of 155. Let's take a look at some example. examples of expanded form. The first number, that is, okay, I am going to write here as 989. Okay, second example, 989. Here the place value of 9 under the hundreds place, so its place value is 900. Okay, so we can write it as 900, then put the sign of addition, and then 8 is at tens place, so its place value is 80. So write here 80, again put the sign of addition, and then 9 is at ones place, so its place value will be 9. Okay, so it's the expanded form of 989. Okay, similarly for next number, okay, here let's take one more example, that is 105. Okay, so what is the expanded form of 105? So again, the place value of 1, because 1 is at ones place, so its place value is 100, plus 0 is at tens place, so its place value 0 multiplied by 10 is equal to 0. And remember students, the place value of 0 always remains 0. Okay, again put the sign of addition. 5 is at ones place, so its place value will be 5. So its expanded form 100 plus 0 plus 5. Okay, dear students, always remember the place value of 0 is always 0, no matter what place is written at. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you all have understood this concept, that is expanded form. Thank you and have a nice day.